Okay, folks, welcome aboard. Welcome to the Secrets of Success. I'm Edgar Arizari. I am your sponsor in this particular program. I created this funnel to help you guys promote the secrets of success. And also, when you start building your second tier team, they can have something to refer to so they can start building their second tier team. That's all it is a super simple structure. It's your first level and then a second level. I created this funnel and I wanted to keep it super simple. I didn't want to get too technical with it because I really don't know what experience level you guys have using LeadsLeap. And I'm assuming you guys have a LeadsLeap account. Okay. Because you need one to use this funnel. But here's your welcome page. The video you're watching now, it's going to be put right here for you. And we have a couple of things going on. First thing you want to look at is the buttons up here. Okay, there's not many of them. Okay, this here you're going to be able to change. You're going to be able to log into your account from here, the Secrets of Success account. You're going to have your lead capture pages, and I'll show you that in a sec. You're going to have your banners. You're going to have emails that you can use for your autoresponder, and then you're going to have Facebook posts. So let's go to the lead capture pages. Okay, this is where you're going to find your lead capture pages, share codes. Now, like I said, it's super simple. You got lead capture page. This is the page you guys originally landed on. Here's your thank you page. And then you have your welcome page. And we're going to go through, I'm going to create a video, second video, showing you exactly how to use these share codes, okay? Just in case you're not familiar with LeadsLeap, just in case you're coming on board with LeadsLeap for the first time, all right? And that's pretty much it. Folks, this is really simple. Your banners. I'm going to probably be adding more banners. I left room so I can continue to add different types of banners. Don't forget, folks, this is a real fast launch. They're launching soon, I think on the 19th, right? And we don't have much time. That's why I created this. If you choose to use the funnel, I mean, because you really don't even have to use the funnel. I mean, because Russell Brunson created a super dynamic page where, you know, you don't even need it. You can just send everyone to this page and they can sign up. I particularly like, you know, some kind of a bridge page. Okay. And that's what we created here. So it's your choice. But since you're watching this, you signed up for a reason. And I'm assuming it's because you want to use this particular funnel. You're also going to have emails you can use. I think I already have that page up. So it's going to take you to this page. Okay, folks, these emails I use all the time. These emails work. There's 21 of them. I actually have a splash page promoting just these emails, but that's a different story. This stuff here, don't worry about it. I think I'm going to get rid of that, you know, because I don't want your people clicking on my links. That wouldn't be pretty, that won't be cool. So we'll probably get rid of that. And that's it. There's 21 of these emails. This here, I mean, it doesn't matter. I'm your upline. They can contact me if they have any questions, you know, and I'll help you reply to them. And then we also have Facebook posts that you can use. And I created these specifically for Facebook. So, you know, they're basically pulling quotes from Napoleon Hill, okay? And then after the quote, it has mentioning of the opportunity, right? Say, hey, you know, by the way, we got this opportunity. And then it invites them to DM you for more information, and then that's when you can hit them with your link for the opportunity. That's really it, man. It is so super simple. Okay, we're gonna go through the other pages. Here, I'll go through them real quick, but I'll show you when we get to the actual training where I'll show you how to use these share codes. But like I said, and all this is changeable. You're gonna put your LeadsLeap account here. Okay, you're gonna create your own email list, and that's what these emails are for, right? The ones I just showed you. These emails, you're going to create your own email list. And don't worry, I mean, yeah, there's 21 of them, but you can put them in one at a time, and we'll talk about that. Let's go back. Okay, so yeah, so the second page, and you guys went through the funnel, so you're familiar with it. It's the thank you page. All this is changeable. Of course, you're not going to use my picture, my name. You can put your name, your picture, your Facebook. And then once they confirm, they're going to go to the welcome aboard page. And that's exactly the page you're on right now. Okay, I don't want to make this video too long because there's not really much to it. We have this button here, Community. That's an actual social site by Sam Becker. It operates like a Facebook group. And I paid $1,000 to use that software, and it's pretty cool, but I'm just hesitant. I don't even know if I'm going to use it with you guys because it depends on how big the team is. You know, if we get a large team, if we can bring in hundreds of people, then I'll probably use it. I'll give everyone an invite to it. If not, I'll just delete that button. No big deal. And then of course I said you can change the Udemy. If you're part of Udemy, you put your link. Everything that has a link, folks, you're going to be able to change. So don't worry about that. I mean, because this is your funnel. You know, I created it, but I'm giving it to you and you can use it for whatever you want. You know, and if you're good with LeadsLeap, I mean, you can use this funnel for something else. Something totally different. Swap out the pictures, right? Make sure you swap out your name. You got to put your name right here if you want. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so I hope this all makes sense. We're going to go to the lead capture page where I have another video for you to actually watch and use leads funnel if you need to. If you already know how to use lead funnels, then you're good to go. All right? See you on the next page.